Hello friends, welcome to this tutorial. Today's topic is dodge and burn. It is really powerful technique and I think everybody should know that. So if you're interested in learning something more about this, please keep on watching. There is a lot of ways how you can dodge and burn a picture, but I think that the best way, and I think it's the most used way amongst the other photographers and retouchers, is to use curves. And that's because of its non-destructive quality, because you are not destroying or replacing any pixels, you are just making them lighter or darker. And also some retouchers use it instead of frequency separation, but it really helps if the model has beautiful skin. So this picture was shot in a studio with one light, and I already did some retouching. I used frequency separation and spot healing, but I didn't do any kind of dodge and burn, so that's what I'm going to do now. And we are going to create new layer, new curves layer, and we can name it dodge. I usually just put D in there because who has time to name all those layers? I mean, it helps, but I don't do that. And we are going to drag it up. Okay. And now we're going to invert the mask, so it's black. Now let's create our burn layer. So curves, and drag it down. Okay, you can name your layer burn. Let's select mask and invert it. Now let's talk about what you can actually do with the dodge and burn, because there are two ways of how you can use this technique. And the first way is that you can increase the intensity of existing highlights or shadows. So let's zoom in so I can show you some examples. Let's select dodge. So on this layer I'm going to work with highlights. So let's say I like this highlight right here on her lip. I'm just going to select dodge, select my brush with white, and paint over. I have my flow at 23%. It's too much, but I just want you to see the effect. And Cupid's bow. And this is what we did. It's popping a little bit more. Now let's grab our burn tool, and let's say you want to contour her face a little bit. So we have our brush with white, and let's just paint here like you would do with makeup. So this is what we did. So we took what was already in the picture and we just increased it. The second thing you can do with dodge and burn is to correct something in the image. So let's say your model has dark circles, or there is an unwanted shadow on her face, and you can get rid of that using dodge and burn. So in this case, I don't like this part here because it's like too wavy. There's a dark spot here, and I don't like that her chin is too dark. So select dodge. Select your brush and white, and let's go for 10% on the flow. And I'm just going to do this quick. I can't do this quick in real life. I wish. And just go over the area that you want to make lighter. Okay, so just for you to see, this is the before and this is the after. I mean, in some cases it is this quick, but most of the time no. Now let's dodge and burn this image, and for me the first step is correction and the second step is contouring, highlighting, and adjusting makeup and so on. But there's one last thing I do before I start my dodge and burn. Let me show you. I go to curves and bring it down, and I like to open up black and white, and this is very good because when you have your a picture in black and white, you are not distracted by color, so you can clearly see where you need to retouch, and the curves are showing much better dark spots and just the things that you want to get rid of. So this is what I always do, and it helps so much to see clearly what I need to retouch. Okay, so now I'm going to Dodge and Burn and I will show you the results. This is our finished look. This is the before and this is the after. Everything is softer and blends together. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something from it. And if you have any suggestions what I should do next, what video, what tutorial, please leave a comment down below. Hit that like button and subscribe so I can make more videos for you. Have a nice day and stay safe.